Emma, go! I'm just kidding, I don't actually shave my face. Or do I? So I hope you enjoyed that little skit at the beginning of the video. If you did like it, make sure you smash the like button on this video. So in this video, I'm going to take you through all of the bathroom renovations that we did and the reasons why we decided to do those bathroom renovations. So let's jump into it. So welcome to our new bathroom. So this is the shower. I really like the shower because it's so spacious and it's a lot bigger than our old shower. And something else that I really like about this shower is you can actually switch it on without actually having to get wet in the shower. So we purposely put the tap here for the shower. And I just love how everything's like all black. We went with the whole white wall tiles, grey floor, and also black everything. So everything matches, and it also matches our kitchen, which also has black tapware and everything. Another thing which I really like about this bathroom is this tall boy, because we have so much more storage in this bathroom. So we can store all of our towels and our soap and shampoo and things like that, and toilet paper, and it's just so nice to be able to have quite a lot of room and space to store things in our bathroom. So over here, this is where the old bath used to be, taking up quite a lot of space in the bathroom. It was a really big bath and we didn't actually use it very much. I think that the plumbing was also a little bit off in the old bathroom because there was this like blue liquid, I think from the toilet, that was leaking into the bath. So we just completely got rid of the bath because we don't even use it that much anyway. And it's just so much nicer to have all this new space. I think that this bathroom was a little bit too small to have a full-size bath in there anyways. And I also really love this vanity. So we've actually got a stone bench top and a bowl that fits on top of the vanity, and just think it's a nice little touch. And we also went with the whole like wooden doors, which also matches our kitchen as well. And another thing which we also changed is the lighting. So we have an electrician friend who changed all the lights for us. And now we have downlights in the bathroom and they're just so much brighter. And I think that they suit the bathroom a lot more because we used to have these like old looking oyster lights which didn't really match the bathroom that we built. And let me show you what they're like turned on. Ta-da! So yeah, lots of light in the bathroom. It's really nice. So that is the bathroom tour. I hope you liked it. Let's jump back into the video to figure out how much all of this costs and how much it actually costs to renovate our bathroom, and also what things we did to try to reduce the price of the bathroom renovations as much as possible. So we ended up spending about $12,000 on everything in the bathroom, including all of the floor tiles, all of the wall tiles, all of the stuff including the vanity, the shower screen, and also all of the painting and the new lighting that we put into the bathroom. So this price was actually reduced from $20,000, which was what we were initially quoted for the bathroom. And there were a couple of things that we were able to do which enabled us to get the bathroom for a lot cheaper than we were initially quoted for. So the first thing that really helped us was shopping around at different places. So we actually ended up going to 2 different bathroom renovation showrooms where they had lots of different taps and basically different types of vanities. We went to 2 different places and we picked out the fitting for all of our bathroom, and we ended up getting a quote from both of them. There was one place that was a little bit further away from the city, and I initially thought this place would be a lot cheaper, but after comparing both of the quotes, we ended up finding that the one that was actually closer to our place was actually $2,000 cheaper. So the more expensive one quoted us $6,000 for everything, and the cheaper one quoted us $4,000 for everything. And it may not seem like a huge difference, but $2,000 is a lot of money. So we ended up going to the cheaper place, and there wasn't really a lot of difference. There may have been slight differences in the brands and the models, but they all looked pretty much the same at the end of the day. So if you are looking to get work done on your place and you are looking to renovate your bathroom or your kitchen or anything, I definitely recommend shopping around at a few different places and definitely comparing the quotes, because this can save you quite a lot of money in the long term. So the shop we ended up getting all of our vanities and our mirrors and all of the stuff that you saw in our bathroom was called OTC Tiles in Sydney. I highly recommend them. They saved us quite a lot of money by buying all of our stuff here. So if you are in Sydney, definitely check them out. So something else which really helped us save money was also comparing the quotes of different contractors. So we initially started to have a look at people to do our bathroom by typing in bathroom renovation Sydney. And all of the people that we contacted were quoting us quite a lot of money to do all of the fittings. They were quoting us up to $15,000 for all of the labor to put in all of our bathroom renovations. However, what we ended up finding was if you just typed in Tyler Sydney, there are a few Tylers that actually knew people who could do the plumbing, knew people who could do the fit out and also taking out all of the old bathroom things. So essentially they could organize the whole bathroom renovations, but they ended up charging a lot cheaper than the bathroom renovation people. So we ended up finding this Tyler called Just Tile It, and Ali is a great guy. I highly recommend him. He's definitely not paying me for this video, or he's definitely not sponsoring this video or anything like that. But if you are looking to get any work done on your bathroom, I do highly recommend Ali. So we were initially quoted about $15,000 for some of the bathroom renovations, and Ali ended up doing everything, including taking out all of the old bathroom, replacing everything, putting in waterproofing, tiling everything, and also doing all of the plumbing as well for $7,000. So we were able to save $8,000 just by shopping around at different places. And finally, something else which has really helped us save money on our bathroom renovations is also not getting our tiling completely up to the ceiling. So our apartment actually has pretty high ceilings, and if we were to tile the walls all the way up to the ceiling, it would have costed quite a bit of extra money, not only in the tiles that we would have to pay for, but also in the labor as well, because somebody would have to put those wall tiles on the walls. So we ended up getting the tiling done just to the top of the door. It's something that you probably wouldn't have noticed unless I did point it out like I am doing now. So if you are looking to save a little bit of money, that's something else that you can do. So not getting the tiling all the way up to the ceiling. We were also able to save quite a bit of money on the electrician and all of the lighting that we've done in our place. So we ended up changing the light in the bathroom because since we did renovate the new bathroom, the lighting just didn't really match the rest of the bathroom. It was looking quite old and dated, so we decided to get some downlights put in. And one of our friends is actually an electrician, so he was able to help us put in all of the downlights, and he charges a really good price. His name is Ian, and I've also left his contact details down in the description below. He did an amazing job on all of the lighting in our apartment, and he was also super fast as well. So if you would like any work done from an electrician and you are in Sydney, I do highly recommend Ian as well. The lighting ended up changing the whole look of the bathroom, and we are so happy that we got it done. So we also ended up getting some painters to help us paint the walls and also the ceiling of our bathroom. So the walls and the ceiling of the old bathroom were actually a little bit moldy because the people that owned this place before didn't actually use proper waterproof paint. So we ended up getting some painters to help us waterproof paint the bathroom so it wouldn't have any of that mold there. I think it is important to spend a little bit of extra money to ensure that everything's done correctly, because otherwise you could have quite a few problems with your place later on. For example, in our bathroom, it wasn't correctly waterproofed initially. So in the bedroom, there was actually this patch on the wall, and I didn't know why there was a patch on the wall. It was kind of like a piece of wall that was just starting to get a bit flaky on the outside. And the reason why it was starting to get flaky was because on the other side of the wall was the bathroom, and it wasn't actually waterproofed correctly. So it ended up kind of seeping through the wall. And that's one of the reasons why I think it's really important to get professionals to work on any of your renovations to just ensure that things like that don't happen. So that is the bathroom renovation. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did like this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos about investing and personal finance. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And if you'd like to see some more videos, I've got some links to some videos here, so make sure you click the links and click through to another video.